Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Windows that is slow and laggy. So I have a few tips how you can do it, just some options to disable. So you go to start, go to this settings, this gear icon, and then here we go to privacy, and then here on general, and turn off this, then go to speech, turn off this as well, go to diagnostics and feedback. You can go to optional here, make sure it is disabled everything. On the location I also disabled everything. On camera I disable. On microphone I enable it because some apps will use my microphone, so I don't disable that. Here we're gonna go disable and go to notification, disable, then here, so basically I disable everything. I don't even use this, so just go and turn off everything that you don't use, especially this for background. I'm gonna turn off this, especially this was everything turned on. Everything was turned on here. So that's pretty much it. Now you can restart your PC and see how it's going. For me now it's much better. Just restart and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Subscribe and like for more videos. Bye.